Hey everyone, if you're getting an install error in Tinfoil and games refuse to install, yeah, that can be really frustrating. The good news is most install errors happen because of a few simple issues. In this 2026 guide, I'll show you the step-by-step fixes that usually solve it fast. All right, first, check your SD card storage. Install errors often happen when there isn't enough free space for both the game and temporary install files. Next, completely close Tinfoil and reopen it. Yeah, don't leave it running in the background. Restarting clears temporary install queues that may be stuck. If installs keep failing, your SD card might have file errors. Remove the card, connect it to a computer, and scan it for errors or corrupted files before using it again. Now reopen Tinfoil, go into Options or File Browser, and select Refresh or Reload. This clears cached installation data and resets download information. If you're installing from a shop, make sure your sources are active. Open the sources list, remove broken entries, and reconnect updated sources if needed. Incorrect system time can also cause install failures. Open system settings, go to date and time, and enable automatic synchronization through the internet. If you're running an outdated version of Tinfoil, installs may fail completely. Download the newest version, replace the files on your SD card, then relaunch the app. Now try installing the game again and give it a moment to start. The installation should now begin normally without errors. And that's it. I'm the complete 2026 fix for Tinfoil install errors. If this guide helped you out, consider liking the video and checking the channel for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.